Hey guys, so it's 11:54. It's Friday the 19th and I am just starting to pack. I leave tomorrow to go surprise my best friend Jordan. I'm so excited. So I'm flying out to Texas to surprise her and welcome her. I wanted to vlog this trip because last time I saw Joe, I told her I wish I would have vlogged more. But yeah, so I thought I would go ahead and start the vlog now. I'm gonna show you guys, I guess, a couple things that I'm gonna pack, and I need to get going because I haven't even packed my makeup. I haven't packed my toiletries. I would like to have everything done tonight so I can just wake up tomorrow and know that everything is ready to go. If you hear T's video game, I greatly apologize. He's playing in the next room. But I'm gonna go ahead and start packing. Joe, if you see this, if you watch this, I just wanna say I love you so much. I hope I surprised you. It was really hard to keep a secret. I don't know. I'll see you at 6 o'clock tomorrow, okay?
Hi, Poops. I love you. I love you. We are in Atlanta. I just got off of my first flight. I'm waiting for my second one to Austin. And then I will be that much closer to surprising Joe. She actually texted me today because she is on the road with her mom and said that she was going to call me tonight. So she has zero idea that I'm coming, which is amazing. So this is definitely the third time that I have filmed this, but the lighting is way better right here. I got off my first flight. I'm waiting for my next flight to Austin. I still feel very awkward right now, like vlogging in the airport. I'm on my phone, so I don't feel as awkward. And I'm really hoping that you cannot hear that baby screaming in the background. So I meant to vlog more last night and this morning, honestly. I waited until the very last second, of course, to pack. I think that's all for now. I just wanted to update you guys, so I will check you in Austin because hopefully we'll be boarding soon. Hey. Hey, I love you. Hey. Get your Wally World on. Are you ready? Maybe this will be a Target part 2 where I fall. I'm with it. I don't like how you can't flip the camera when you're in video. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Jeff. I literally cannot breathe in here. Oh my god. Don't try that at home, people. Who needs a dressing room? What is this? Joe, what do you think this is? Well, let's just soak this in. A Star is Born. And I cried my eyes out. Verdict?
Best movie I've ever seen.
Look at my face! Oh my god.
I can't even imagine. My mascara is probably all over my face.
Such...
Jesus.
Can we just... I look like... I
gotta pee again.
Don't anybody...
Last movie I looked like this and I can't remember.
Don't anybody look at me.
Tried Magnolia. Alright, third restaurant. Let's try this one. Partially my fault.
Look, they have grilled cheese.
Oh, my type of restaurant.
Checking to see if that was Dad. It was Verizon.
What? Why did I miss
This
that?
is the breast implant?
Yeah.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my father, I put that on my family. Oakland City represented, just me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I'm colder than the fridge and the freezer. I'm snatching all your bitches at my leisure.
Hey-ho. Let's look at some Jeeps. Joe, do the dance. Fuck me up. Last day in Texas with my peeps. Looking at Jeeps. Just hanging, chilling, living the life. Just ate at Outback. None of these are open. Love that. I feel like I haven't actually told you guys what we've been doing lately, but you know, I guess you'll catch the hint when I edit it all together.
Tastes like Caesar salad.
Oh, yum. Mine tasted like chicken. This is a stick shift though.
Oh, I love all the four-wheel drive is.
Oh, you like stick shifts?
No, you'd use it when you go into four-wheel drive.
Oh.
It's automatic otherwise.
This is the sport.
Oh, it is a stick shift.
I told you. But
That's what I wanted.
you wanted a stick shift?
Yeah, I love stick shifts. And nobody bar like her.
Oh, you like playing with sticks?
39.
What? Yeah. It's already read the
It's our last dinner.
Save us.
If you don't see anything else from me, this woman or this woman murdered me. About to what?
Bingo time, bitches.
Snatching these hoes. I literally think I'm done.
It's like your legs.
I was just about to say that. Why'd you take my joke? Are you so sad I'm leaving? You don't look like it.
You're not leaving.
You're right. My spot forever. I don't care who lays here. Oh my god. I've never cried on camera. Dot is also here, so that is not helping at all. So my flight leaves tomorrow to go home. I just got done packing everything up. I guess I'm gonna go to bed. My flight leaves at 6:45, so I have to be at the airport at 5. I know this isn't goodbye. It's I'll see you later. And I know you guys probably think I'm so dramatic, but the times that I get with Joe are very special. Mr. Scott and Miss Michelle, thank you so much for letting me stay here and just always being so kind to me and waking up at 4 to take me to the airport and just being my second set of parents pretty much, and always making sure that I'm doing the best that I can do in life and supporting me as well. Joe, I just want to say I love you with my entire heart. You are my absolute best friend, and I don't know what I'd do without you. I hate leaving. I was only here for a short time. You are such an incredible person, and you call me out on my shit. You know how to make me laugh. Thank you for pumping me up and always bragging about me and just being my #1 supporter. Thank you for taking my photos and getting all of my good angles. I don't know when I'll see you next, but hopefully it'll be soon. Sooner than later. That's pretty much it for this vlog. I don't ever cry on camera, so I'm really sorry for this. I know I'm a total sappy. If you turn the video off, I understand. But if you're still here, thank you for watching me ugly cry. I think that's everything, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, I guess. Bye, guys.